This is a new product called the AA3. It's made for safety pans, auxiliary or secondary drain pans, a float switch. It's UL listed and meets code. And as you can see, it has the float switch here, which sits in 3 different grooves. So you can raise or lower it simply by taking it out of the clip. You can make it more sensitive by putting it in the top groove, or less sensitive by putting it in the bottom groove here. But it comes standard set in the middle, and I'm going to show you how it works. You take the switch and you just step it right over the pan like this, and you tighten the thumb screw. So you're going to lock it onto the side of the pan. And then the switch bracket, all you do is push down the switch bracket with your finger, and now that float switch is sitting on the bottom of the pan. Depending on the pan, it's a 2-inch pan. Even if you had a 3-inch pan, you could push it all the way down and go down to the bottom. You could set it anywhere you want. If I want to make it less sensitive, I could actually lift up the bracket. I could keep it at any depth I want. But the beauty is you just lock it on. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to come off, and you just push it down to adjust it. There's no nuts to unscrew. There's very easy. If you go up in the attic, you just pop it on the pan, lock it down, push it down, and just wire it up. And that's a very simple device, and it will make life easy, and you know it's reliable. So again, this is the AA3 model by All Access. Thank you.